Did you know a car company once spent more on door handles than most people earn in a lifetime? In the 1920s, Italian manufacturer Isotta Fraschini became obsessed with building the world's most luxurious automobile. Each car took over a year to build entirely by hand. The same artisans who decorated Italian palaces crafted every interior detail. Then came the order that nearly destroyed them. A wealthy customer requested solid silver door handles and dashboard trim. The company said yes without calculating the cost. When the bills arrived, they had spent more on raw materials than the customer's entire payment. But they didn't stop there. Every component was perfected beyond reason, engines hand-assembled by master craftsmen. These cars cost more than entire mansions, yet customers waited years for delivery. The pursuit of ultimate luxury nearly bankrupted Isotta Fraschini. But those few cars they built, they're still running perfectly today. 90 years later, their obsession with perfection lives on.